Hi everyone! Today in this video, I'm going to help you decide if you should hire a bookkeeper. And we're also going to talk about some of those limiting beliefs that keep us stuck from getting the help that we need in our businesses. If you're an entrepreneur who loves their business but absolutely hates the number part of things, you are in the right place. Click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. All right, so now let's decide if you should hire a bookkeeper. I'm going to give you 3 questions to ask yourself. Question number 1, are you good at doing bookkeeping? And if the answer is no, you have 2 options. You can learn to be good at bookkeeping. So you could go enroll in courses, look up a ton of tutorials, do what you need to do to learn, or you can get the help that you need. The bottom line here is that your bookkeeping needs to get done. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm sorry, it does have to get done. So if you are not good at it, you need to get help. And as a business owner, you don't have to be good at bookkeeping. That's the joy of having bookkeepers out there. Question number 2, do you like doing bookkeeping? And don't judge. Some people actually like doing it. So if you're not good at it and you hate doing it, please do yourself a favor and hire a bookkeeper. But you're good at doing it and you like to do it. And again, we won't judge you. So even if you're good at doing bookkeeping, if you hate it, it's probably something that you're going to put off doing. And it's so important that the books are kept up to date. And we're going to talk about why at the end of this video. So tell me in the comments, do you like doing bookkeeping? And I promise I won't judge you and neither will anyone else. Now, question number 3, how much time is it taking you to do your bookkeeping? And if you were able to free up that amount of time and focus on revenue generating activity in your business and hire a bookkeeper instead, would the revenue that you're going to bring in from those activities cover the cost of a bookkeeper? If you're an entrepreneur, I bet the answer is definitely yes. As a business owner, I think it's so important to focus on basically 2 things. 1, selling your products and services, and 2, serving your clients with the utmost value. That is your job. Bookkeeping, unless you're a bookkeeper yourself, bookkeeping is not your job. Focus on your business. All right, so now with those 3 questions out of the way, let's talk about your limiting beliefs. All right, so mindset shift number 1, I often hear people say that they don't want to give up control of their finances, so they're not going to hire a bookkeeper. I want to emphasize that hiring a bookkeeper is not the same as giving up financial control of your organization. Bookkeepers record transactions that have happened in the past based on the decisions you've made in your business. They don't get to make those decisions, you do, which means that you control the finances, they do not. All right, so mindset shift number 2. I should know how to do my bookkeeping. Why? I do not need to know how to make sushi in order to enjoy it at a Japanese restaurant. And you as a business owner do not need to know how to do bookkeeping in order to have your books done for you. As a small business owner, is it really important for you to know how to do the bookkeeping? Or is it more important for you to know how to run your business, serve your clients, and make sales? I would argue that your job as the entrepreneur is to focus on selling products and your services and giving fantastic value to your customers. And instead of focusing on learning how to do bookkeeping, I want you to focus on how to read your financial reports and how to talk to your accountant to find out how you can make your business more profitable. That's the magic thing about your numbers. Once you understand how to read your financial statements, you can actually use them to figure out what expenses to cut, what revenue lines are bringing in the most profits for you. And so you can actually run a more efficient business, do less work, and make more money and more impact in the world by understanding your numbers. You don't need to know how to do the bookkeeping, but you do need to know how to talk to your accountant, ask really good questions, and run a profitable business. All right, as you can see, I'm really passionate about this because I think you guys should know how to read your financial statements and know how to use them in order to make more profits in your business. They're there, I want you to use them. Anyway, so what did you decide? Are you gonna hire a bookkeeper? Tell me in the comments below. And if you are ready to conquer your number fears, hit subscribe and like this video. I also have a freebie download that you can get on my website and I will link it in the description below for you. And it's all about numbers that you should know as a business owner. So please feel free to pick it up.